Morning routine. Every morning, I wake up when the first light of the sun shines through my window. The warm light makes me stretch and rub my eyes to start the day. I quickly get out of bed and make sure to neatly arrange my blanket and pillows. After making my bed, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water to feel fresh. I love the feeling of the water splashing on my face. Then, I go downstairs to the kitchen where my mom has already made breakfast. She always makes the best pancakes, and I love having them with syrup and fruit. After breakfast, I put on my school uniform and pack my backpack with books, pencils, and my lunchbox. I double-check to make sure I have everything. Then I grab my jacket and shoes. I kiss my parents goodbye and head to the bus stop. My friends are already there, and we chat excitedly about the day ahead. The bus arrives, and off we go to school, ready for a day full of learning and fun.